This should be the first shot of the video because nobody equips their boat with the electric swim down platform, allowing you to just press a button up and down. Welcome to Inland Boat Company on the Water. Tommy Morrison here on Falls Lake in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, we're going to be reviewing the single owner 2024 Malibu 23MXZ. Let's dive in. This is an ebony hull base, and it looks like from going down the entire side of the boat wraparound, we're pretty good in almost every single spot right here. I'm not seeing any scratches. We got some ebony metallic flake that runs through the side, which looks really clean. This boat is equipped with quad 10-inch Wet Sounds speakers. It has two 12-inch subs, an electric flip down swim board, and check out the swim step. Conveniently located. This boat is equipped with docking lights, underwater lights, and full RGB interior lights. Our Malibu owners are loving the Natalie flip-up seat with the foldable armrest, so that way you can have 3 forward-facing seats in the pickle fork bow. Along with the RGB gunnel lighting, there are wireless phone chargers and a total of 22 cup holders. Malibu's industry-leading innovation in surf technology includes the surf gate actuators, allowing you to surf left and surf right, Power Wedge 3, allowing you to control the pitch of the boat, also the shape of the wake, the surf exhaust, which keeps the fumes underneath the rider, and then also the surf band, allowing you to, at a press of a button, surf left, surf right, Power Wedge up and down, shape of the wake, and the speed, all ease of use from one band. We can't skip over the 18-inch color-matched ebony metallic XD wheels. If you want to check out this boat in person, please call, text, or schedule an appointment in the link below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.